Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is to go to the flow builder and start modifying on the flows. So simply, we need first to go to setup menu, setup, and after that, we need to search our flows. So here we type flow and we will find all our flows here, and then you will need just to click on any flow and you will be able to modify it. So let's search for a flow that we have already created. Mm, we can choose anyone. So basically, let's click on the verify identity, and then it will take us to the flow builder, and you will see the whole flow how it works. So let's zoom out, and this is how it starts. So it is a screen flow, and this is how it is triggered. So we will need just to do some configurations, and basically those by default on Salesforce you won't be able to edit them. So let's just create our new one and save it. So let's just start from a template. I'm going just to use a template so we can have a grasp on our flow. So here we click on save, and let's just my flow, and let's give it a name, save. And now uh, we need just to resolve some errors. And basically I have created now a flow from scratch so we can avoid any errors. And basically here we will find my flow. You will need just to click on your flow and it will take you to the flow builder, and if you have the permission to edit it, you will be able to add all the modification on your flow. So as you can see, we can add any elements, we can update or add any logic for our flow, and you can also edit the remaining flow. As you can see, we can go and edit, and we start editing on our components or elements, and we can choose anything and again edit element, and we will find everything. And from here you can find all the elements of your flow, and you can choose from them, and it will take you directly to that flow. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.